Hi there, it is math time. Today we're going to work in your book, math book, pages 94 and 95. We're also going to make a note in your notebook with date, frame, and time. Remember that you have to illustrate your shape that we're going to show here and color it, all right? Guys, do you remember what is area and perimeter? The perimeter is the outside, the edge of a shape, and the area is everything that is inside the perimeter. Remember? Outside, inside. Addition, multiplication. Okay, today our topic is area and perimeter of a compound shape. But what is a compound shape? Let's start defining. Write it in your notebook. A compound shape is a regular form made of two or more shapes. In this case, we're going to study compound shapes made of rectangles because we already know the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle. We need to multiply the width by the length. All right? So let me show you a compound shape. Introducing a compound shape. As you can see, I'm dividing the shape into two different rectangles. All right? That is going to be my step one. Divide the shape into rectangles. So we can do it separately. Step two. Calculate the missing length. Well, since we divide this, we know that this here measures 4 centimeters. From here to here is going to measure 5 centimeters. So it is going to be the same. It is going to be 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. We need to know all the measures of the sides, of all the sides, so we can calculate the perimeter, right? For area, we just need 2. In this case, it's going to be the same. But here, it is going to be 10 centimeters, and here is going to be 8 centimeters. So here is going to be 10 and 8. Well, we have the step 2 done. The step 3 is exclusively for area, all right? Because we're going to calculate the area. Remember, for area, we need to write square units and, well, let's start calculating area of the shape 1 and the shape 2. So what was my formula for calculate the area? We're going to multiply the length by the width. Shape 1. The length is 4 centimeters by the width 5 centimeters. 4 times 5 equals 20 centimeters square. Remember, area uses square units. So the area is 20 centimeters square. Let's calculate the area of the shape 2. We have the measurement of the length 10 centimeters. Width 8 centimeters. Remember, when we're multiplying by 10, we just add a 0 to the multiplying unit. So it's going to be 80 centimeters squared. So we're going to add it. Area equals 80 centimeters squared. And let me tell you, we haven't finished yet because we already know the area for the shape 1 and we already know the area for the shape 2. But we need to know the total area. So we need to add them together. We're going to add area 1, that is 20 centimeters, plus area 2, that is 80 centimeters. We're going to make an addition. We're adding them together. So it's going to be 0 plus 0, 0, and 8 plus 2, 10. But remember, square units for area. So it's going to be centimeters squared. So the area for all these compound shape, let's write it like total area, is 100 centimeters squared. Now it's time for our step 4, that it is exclusive for the perimeter. We need to calculate the perimeter. Look at this keyword, whole shape, of the whole shape. In this, we won't consider as 2 rectangles because we're just going to add all the boundaries, all right? So we don't need to divide and add these, nothing. We just need to add 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4. But here we need to find a missing measurement because we don't know how much it is. So we're going to check that here to here is 5, but here to here is 8. So we're going to subtract 8 minus 5, and my missing measurement is going to be 3. Okay, these are all my measurements that we're going to add together. So 10 plus 8, 18, plus 10, 28, plus 4, 32, plus 5, 37, plus 4, 41, and plus 5, 46. All of them are centimeters. So my perimeter is 46 centimeters. And that's how we calculate the perimeter and the area of a compound shape. I hope you already have written the title, the definition of a compound shape, all the steps that you must follow to find the area and the perimeter of a compound shape, as well as the example that we just made. Guys, it's time for us to go to your book, math book, pages 94 and 95. And as you can see, the exercise 1 is very similar to the example that we just made. So, if you have any question, don't forget to repeat the video or stop it and check, because that will help you to solve the exercise 1. Now, let's try to solve the I'm going to explain the example in the try this. All right? As you can see, the measurements for this is 2 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and we have an empty space. Imagine that in your garden you have, I don't know, a pool, or your dog's house, or maybe a fountain, or something like that. And you want to buy grass for covering your garden. So you need to calculate the area, but without the area that occupies or the pool or the dog house or the fountain, right? So that's what do we need. This is what do we need. We're going to calculate the area for both shapes too. We have length, that is 10 centimeters, in our shape 1. The width, that is 8 centimeters, and we're going to multiply. 8 times 10, or 10 times 8, is going to be 80 centimeters square. This is our area of the shape 1. So, for the whole garden, including the pool, including the dog house, or our fountain, we need 80 centimeters. But we don't want to waste that extra grass. So that's why we're going to subtract the area too. And we have length 2 centimeters, width 3 centimeters, and we're going to multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6 centimeters square. We're going to make a subtraction because we don't need to buy this. So my area is going to be 10 minus 4 equals, minus 6 equals 4, and it is a 7 centimeters square. Alright? In this case, they are only requesting area. We don't need to calculate the perimeter. But the perimeter is going to be just the edges. So it will be like regular perimeter. The assessment section. I made the exercise B. So as you can see, they are requesting area and perimeter. So it is very necessary to follow the steps in order to get them. So the step 1 says, divide the shape into rectangles. But here we can get more than 2 rectangles. Let's see how it's more easy for you to get the rectangles. Alright? So I'm thinking that we can do like this. 6 centimeters and 4. So we're going to divide right there. And we already have 1. This is our shape 1. And here we can close it like this. This is our shape 2, and this is our shape 3. Alright? Now, step 2. Calculate the missing lengths. We already have this right here. That is 6. To here is 2, but, well, we have to add it because it's going to be like this. It's going to be 6 centimeters. And from here to here is 7, but we're using just 6. So it's going to be meters. And this is going to be 1 meter. Okay? And well, this is 1 and 4, and from here to here is 7. That means from here to here is going to be 4 centimeters, okay? Because here the measurement is 3 and the total is 7. So 7 minus 3, 4. And I think we have already all of our, let's calculate the area of the shape 1. Length 6 meters and width 6 meters. 6 times 6, 36 meters. Square meters. Okay, so this is our area 1. Area 2, 4 meters by 4 meters. 4 times 4, 16 meters square, right? This is our area 2. And finally, we have 3 meters times 3 meters. My answer is 3 times 3, 9 square meters. We already have our 3 areas, so we're going to add them together. Area 1, 36 meters. Area 2, 16 meters. And area 3, 9 meters. My answer is going to be 6 plus 6, 12, plus 9, 21. So we have 2 plus 3, 5, plus 1, 6. My total area is 61 meters square meters. Okay? Now let's calculate the perimeter. When we are calculating perimeter, we need to be very, very careful. So we have to be sure that we wrote all the measurements. Okay? So our perimeter is going to be exact. We're going to start right here. And let's add them together. 6 meters, 6 meters. In this case, we have the two measurements, 6 and 1, but we have the total, that is 7. 7 meters. 3 meters. 3 meters. In this case, it's the same. From here to here, it measures 4. So that means that we have 3 right here, or we can have just the 7. That is our total. Then 4, and finally 2. Okay, it's time to add them together. 6 plus 6 equals 12, plus 7 equals 19, plus 3, 22, plus 3, 25, plus 7, 32, plus 4, 36, plus 2, 38 meters. So our perimeter equals 38 meters. Okay? And that's how we calculate area and perimeter. I hope to see your evidences soon in the platform. And also, I hope you find it easy to do. You just need to separate into rectangles and then add together the areas. All right? Well, guys, thank you very much for your attention. See you tomorrow.